And this is the boxing. Da 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 da. Okay. Oh, whoops. Uh-oh. I forgot to put the bag over there. Shoot, son, nigga. Oh crap! Faceplate. Shoot. Well, I'm retarded. I should read first before I do anything. Hold on. Would you sit there? Oh, okay. Maybe I should read first. There we go. Oh, baby's off. I might have avoided the warranty, so keep quiet. Just could suffocate this guy. I love how there's like 45 different languages, and it finally just says welcome. Nice. Time to put it in. God, this way is fucking done. Alright. All sealed up. All cozy. Okay, I got the bag on. Now for the foam. Yay! It's the moment of truth. It's in the box. Proclamation! And I think we're supposedly supposed to put that on there. Gotta leave my faceplate here. Alright. I'm gonna send this thing away. I'll be back and I'll update next time.